Welcome to Kentrol's Door Hinge Installation Guide for Jeep's 2018 to 2027 Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Step 1. Using a blade, carefully score along the outer edge of the factory door hinge to separate it from the surrounding paint. This helps prevent damage to your vehicle's finish during hinge removal. Step 2. Using a T50 Torx bit, remove the barrel nut from the bottom of the hinge. Then, unscrew the two bolts securing the hinge to the door. Take your time, as these bolts can be tough to break free, and stripping them can be a hassle. Once all the hardware is removed, take off the hinge. Step 3. Begin by identifying the correct placement for each replacement hinge. The upper door hinges will have slightly longer pins than the lower ones. Once identified, slide the appropriate hinge on the body hinge mount. Next, align the paint protection liner on the back of the hinge. Press the hinge into position with the liner in place. Insert and hand tighten two of the provided screws, followed by the barrel nut underneath. Tighten all hardware securely with a T50 Torx bit. Repeat this process for each hinge. Then you're done.